Hi team, I'm Anusha Goli. I completed my graduation and worked in TCS for 2 years. In this video, I'll go through the Bike Haven analysis of sales data project. The agenda of this project is to create a visually interactive and informative dashboard. This is the overall dashboard layout in A4 portrait format. To see how each product category is performing, which product are selling the most and which are least, and which need more attention, how the sales figures were compared to the previous years, and in which months were the most successful. To achieve this, I have downloaded the provided tar database file into the pgadmin and I have restored the database file, which contains seven tables, namely the customer, geography, product category, product subcategory, date, internet sales tables. And they have provided the Excel file named sales budget, and I have imported the data using the copy command, and I have removed unnecessary columns using the drop command and renamed the column names to be meaningful. I have joined the product category and subcategory tables into product PCPSC and customer geography into customer demographic, and join first name, middle name, last name into a name column, and alter the null values in the middle name using the coalesce function, and remove the extra spaces in the name. And after pre-processing, downloaded the merged tables into a CSV text files and added the connection with the text file in Tableau, and utilized the customer key to connect the internet sales with the customer demography, and order date key to connect the internet sales with the date, and product key to connect internet sales with the product's PCPSC, and date key to connect date and sales budget file. To show the top 10 products by sales amount, I have created a bar chart that shows which products generate the most revenue. Dragged the product name to the rows and sales amount to the columns. And in the show me, clicked on the bar chart. I have filtered with the calculated field rank top. Rank of sum of sales amount in the descending order, and given the range up to 10 to show the top 10 most customers from all the categories. And I have used the filters like product category, subcategory, and product name. In the product category, for accessories, bikes, and clothes, these were the top 10 products. And if untick the bikes, I'll get the accessories and clothing subcategory items only. The filters were shown accordingly to the top 10 products, and I used the years 2021-22 as they have asked to see last 2 years sales data. For the top 10 customers, we can recognize the valuable customers from these bar chart, where I have dragged the full name of the customers to the row and sales amount to the column, and I have used the filter rank top, edit, and rank of sum of sales in descending order, and selected the range of the rank top from 1 to 10, and used few more filters like product name, category, subcategory. The product name, if I untick the accessories, the fields related to these bikes and clothing were shown from those who bought the highest sales is Maurice M. Shan, the top customer, and the yearly income. If I give the range from 0 to 50,000, according to the range of who were the customers, top customers will be shown, and according to the education, the people who are from these all education background, have the top 10 customers. I'm selecting it to all for now. Yeah. And the third question, sales figures versus budget. In this, I have created a dual axis line and bar chart. I have dragged the sales amount and budget to the rows and month to the columns and selected the dual combination chart. For the year 2021 and 22, the December 2021 we have the highest budget, and July 2022 it is the lowest budget. For the 2022 year, the February, which has most sales than the budget. And if I want to see for the category only to the clothing and accessories, these were the sales and budget ratios of the graph. And region wise sales, I have drawn a map chart and a pie chart which shows how much percentage each region is contributing to the overall sales. In the map chart, we can analyze the regional sales trends, which shows that state-wise and even the cities-wise. I have dragged the country to the map and I have selected in the marks card uh, from automatic to the map, so that it has given me a map view. And I have selected latitude by clicking on the control. I have selected this latitude again, so that it gave me two views. One is latitude generated and another is latitude generated 2. In this I have selected to the circle to show both views in one of the map. It can show like state wise how much sales have happened, and even the city wise data. And if I want to see the category for only bikes, the sales changes accordingly. The sales amount from 3,440 for the year 2021 and 22. For the year only 22, these were the sales amount for each year. Here sales amount is 37 for 2022, and for both also it is 37. For the 2021 there is no sales happened in this particular city state. Coming to the product category versus sales. In this I have drawn a pie chart to show the percentage of each category contributing to the overall sales. Here we can see bikes have the most percentage, 95 for the year 2021 and 22. And clothing has 1.4%, accessories has 3.2%. In this we can understand the performance of each product category. I have drawn this like I have dragged the category to the rows and sales to the columns and clicked on the pie chart in the show me, so that I have got the pie chart. And in the labels I have given the quick table calculation to percent of total to get the percentage of how much it is taking for the overall. And in the previous sales figures by region also I have taken the quick table calculation for the sum of sales as percent of total. And I have used the filters like product category, subcategory and product name. If I select only the bikes, it is 95% accessories and clothing. In the subcategory, if I select only few, according to the percentage here it is changing as we see. Okay. And even the year in the 2021, in the 22 it is 93% of bikes, and accessories is 4%. In the 2022, if I untick this, in 2021 it is just 0.01% for clothing, 0.03 for accessories, and 99% for the bikes. And even if we see for the education background, the bachelor's degrees, graduate degrees, if I select both of these, the percentage and the sales amount is changing. Here is the sales dashboard I have created. As we can see, the total product profit and total sales amount, total budget, products and number of customers. For the year filter, if we give only relevant values and apply to the worksheets, all using the related data source, then the data changes in all the mentioned graphs. I have selected the vertical horizontal containers here and inserted these sheets into those legends. Few of them I have selected as floating to mention it clearly into the small boxes. Yeah, when I selected for the 21-22, if I give it just 2022, the data in all the columns it is changing as we see. Even in the top 10 product by sales and in sales figures by region or city, we can hover over this to see the data. In the city Berkeley, the sales amount is this much. Yeah, and the bikes percentage is 93 in 2021. 2022, there is 2022, sorry. And if we are going to look at the accessories, it is 3%. How much data each column is sharing? As we see the top 10 products, the number of customers purchased. Here we can see water bottle is the like most number of customers have bought this. These are the top 10 customers. And the accessories gave more profit in the month of August. And these were the subcategory by sales. The tights and tubes got 51% of sales and helmets 48 in the accessories category. These were the least sales where we need to improve these products. The top 10 products by sales are in the accessories category of these. The customers purchased products, budget, sales and profit. If we want to see the customer wise, Fernando the customers, we can see as he is only the one person, we'll get the here one. And products he purchased 57, total sales he made, and the profit he made most of his say like budget in 800,000 in the month of February. And in the accessories he made 75%. See helmets 25% of sales. In tires and tubes 74 as subcategory. He bought one product. The count of he belongs to Canada as it is zoomed out to this place. As we zoom out, you can see nothing is selected. That means he according to the data it is changing, and he belongs to the Canada and he made 1138 sales. Here it shows the same data. And if you want to see in the clothing category, here are the in the clothing the distinct amount of customers who have purchased are 2055 and 1.46%. Top 10 customers are here. And the sales figures by region. Here if we could see the size of these bubbles is changing. I have given the size to the sum of sales column in the map chart, and the states in which the clothing has happened. Clothing category is high is selected here in this graph. The top 10 product by sales in the clothing category are here, which gives a sales amount of top 1 means is 23,797. And the other filter, the gender. Here if we select only the male customers, Modishan is at the top, and the count of distinct customers who have purchased water bottle are the highest. And if we select the female customers only, who is at the top, we will see selected both. The number of customers are 8,520 for the females. Janet is at the top, and the product category for the bikes is 95% of the females. Subcategory, and if we want to check only for the month of December and in the year 2022, we can select this. The top 10 customers are here, and the top products of customers purchased, and the category wise sales. Top 10 products by sales and sales by region are here. To see for this Australia country, we can zoom in and yeah, for the Australia country, here are the region wise for the December 2022, the sales amount for the Australia. In the Queensland it is 68,000. City wise, in Sydney 8,000 sales have happened, and in the New South Wales it is overall country. For every city we can get the sales amount it is giving for this particular city. What are sold The list sales and subcategory wise sales is given. Subcategory wise also. Once select this one, select the other filter for the gender categories. We can go with the yearly income and check. By clicking on all the gender categories, and for the year 2022, these will apply only when we are giving apply to worksheets all using this data source. Then only these all will be changing, otherwise it won't change. And also we have to select only relevant values. And I have changed it from maximum to 1 lakh 50,000 salary up to that yearly income. What are the sales percentages by each the graphs? We could see that for the sales versus figures widget for the year, this year has the most, August has most number of budget sales, and sales is highest for the December month. The top 10 customers, the products, top 10 products in charting and accessories category, sales. In the subcategory wise sales, we could see the percentage. I have created two more graphs, like least sales, which is this graph, and the subcategory wise sales. Here we could see the percentage as it has very less space. This is the tree map which I have shown. Uh, uh, I think this is the correct map to show for the subcategory wise sales. The top 10 products. Here we could also give the bar chart, highlight a table chart. Here we could give a pie chart as well, as we are seeing the list of 5 products, so sales only. And here is the overall A4 portrait sized format file which I have uploaded. Thanks for giving me this opportunity.